Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul, I am a teacher. In this video I will give you information regarding Common University Entrance Test CUT-PG for Common University Entrance Test CUT-PG 2026. Registration may start in January 2026 and Common University Entrance Test CUT-PG may be in March 2026. So in this video information regarding Common University Entrance Exam CUT-PG, Hospital Management COQP 22, entrance exam pattern and syllabus information will be given. Syllabus for Hospital Management COQP 22. So with information regarding Master in Hospital Administration MHA, Master in Hospital Management MBA, Hospital Management entrance exam pattern and syllabus will be given in this video. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master in Public Health MPH, Master in Hospital Administration MHA entrance exams for various university and institutes like CUT-PG and other universities like KGMU Lucknow, SGPGI Lucknow, CMC Vellore, and for all the other university and institutes which conducts Master in Public Health MPH, Master in Hospital Administration MHA entrance exams. And for this, if student want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. Hospital Management COQP 22, syllabus for Hospital Management COQP 22. So this is the pattern for Hospital Management COQP 22 entrance exam. The question paper which will have 75 questions. So 75 questions which will be there in question paper. All questions will be based on subject specific knowledge. All questions are compulsory. The questions will be bilingual, English, Hindi. Hospital Management COQP 22. So this is the syllabus for entrance exam. First point is health and disease concepts. In health and disease concept, topics will be various dimensions and determinants of health, measures and indicators of health and related issues, natural history of disease and sciences, primary health care services, hospital and its role in health and diseases. Second point is environment and health. Topics are effect of various factors like water, air, light, ventilation, noise, meteorological environment, humidity, housing, disposal of waste, excreta, disposal on health and well-being, basic concepts of biological, medical, entomology and insecticides, rodents and related diseases, radiation and zoonosis on public health and health administration. Third point is medicine and social science. Syllabus in medicine and social science are understanding the concepts in sociology of health, psychology and health, social psychology, family in health and disease in understanding health, cultural factors in health and disease, hospital sociology, social problems and health, basic health, economic, social security and health of population. Fourth point is hospital waste management. Topics are basic understanding of sources of health care waste, healthcare waste hazards, method of treatment and biomedical waste management for healthcare administration. Fifth point is basic epidemiology and population health. Topics are understanding population health and epidemiology, rates, ratios and measurement of morbidity and mortality of health and related parameters, basic statistics of association and causation in biological sciences, concepts of disease transmission, immunity and immunizing agent, basic understanding of disease prevention and control in India. Next point is basic understanding of biological sciences and life sciences. Topics are recent development in cell biology, genetics, pharmaceutical sciences, health care, information technology, nutrition sciences, diagnostics, biotechnology, vaccine development and sanitation. Next topic is general awareness on health care. Topics in general awareness on healthcare are current happenings of healthcare and life sciences sector, population health, epidemiology, basic public health and programs of India, basic physiology and anatomy of human body, society and health, understanding hospital management, understanding of World Health Organization and other bodies of international health, basic issues and challenges of healthcare business, verticals such as pharmaceuticals, healthcare information technology, healthcare entrepreneurship and hospital management, understanding of national health programs. Next point is introduction to hospitals. Topics are types of hospitals, health system in India, sub-center, PSC, CSC, first referral unit, district hospitals, corporate hospitals and charitable trust hospitals. Next point is departments in hospitals. Topics are clinical departments in hospitals, basic specialization, general medicine, surgery, ODG, pediatrics, anesthesia, super specialization and sub specialization in hospitals, cardiology, urology, neurology, etc. Next point is supportive services in hospitals. Topics are CSSD, pharmacy, linen and laundry, food and beverages, dietary services in hospitals. Next point is engineering services. Topics are heating, ventilation and air conditioning, civil, electrical, water supply. Next point is hospital management fundamentals. Topics are process of management, principles of management, accounting and costing in hospitals. Next point is materials and equipment in hospital. Topics are classification of equipment, diagnostic and therapeutic equipment, X-ray, CT, MRI, PET, CT, cath lab, dialysis, OT requirements, OT equipments, purchasing and store. Next point is infection control and biomedical waste management. Topics are nosocomial infection and their prevention, biomedical waste rules and regulation. Next point is legal aspects, laws pertaining to hospital and healthcare. Topics are Consumer Protection Act, PCP, NDT Act, Human Organ Transplantation Committees in the Hospital, ICC Committee, Infection Control Committee, Ethical Issues in Hospitals. Next point is Management Concept in the Hospital. Topics are Human Resources Management, doctors, nurses, paramedics, recruitment, selection, training, motivation, finance management, budgetary, marketing of hospital services. Next point is disaster preparedness and hospital management. Topics are types of disasters, disaster management team, various codes used during disasters. So these are the syllabus for Common University Intent Test, CUT PG, Master in Hospital Administration, MHA program. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, CUT PG and other universities, Master in Hospital Administration, MHA, Master of Public Health, MPH entrance exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.